Hello guys, if you have stuck somewhere with NodeMCU ESP8266 and want it to be factory reset, then this video is right for you. This is Bhupender Singh and you're watching our YouTube channel SME Dehradun. I will tell you how you can factory reset, erase EEPROM, repair the bootloader and upgrade the firmware of your NodeMCU ESP8266 board. This technique will support every NodeMCU development board. You need NodeMCU flasher to flash the NodeMCU board. So go to the video description and click on the link to download it. This link will redirect you to the GitHub repository. Here click on the code and click on the download zip. Once downloaded, go to the download location and you will get the folder with name NodeMCU Flasher Master. Unzip it. Go inside the folder and you can see here the folder with name Win32 and Win64. If you have 32-bit window, then go inside the Win32 folder and open the ESP8266 flasher. And if you have Windows 64 like me, then you go inside this Win64 folder and open the ESP8266 flasher. So this is the NodeMCU flasher. Connect your NodeMCU board to the computer so that it can detect the COM port of the board. Make sure that there is no other USB connected to the computer, otherwise it can create confusion in the COM port for you. As you can see, it detects the port automatically. This time, connect your computer to the internet. Now go to the video description and click on the link to download the binary firmware file for NodeMCU. And now click to config tab and click on the setting icon in the first row. And go to the location where we have just downloaded the NodeMCU firmware. You will get the bin firmware file, right? So select it and click on open. Now write here the hex code as 0x0000. Now click on the operation tab and click on the flash button. NodeMCU start flashing the firmware. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the process. Once done, you will get the right sign here and ready written here. So guys, this is how you can flash the latest firmware in the NodeMCU ESP8266 board. It's factory reset the NodeMCU, erase the EEPROM, update the firmware and repair the bootloader. That means completely renew your NodeMCU board. Now time to test the program on NodeMCU board. Open the Arduino IDE and select the board as NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module. Select the port as COM5 and click on the upload button. Program has been uploaded. You can see the inbuilt LED in the NodeMCU board has been blinking at the interval of 1 second. You can also see the status in the serial monitor. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and videos. Stay tuned for more innovation.